Aiper Seagull Pro software updates. Software updates are essential for the optimal performance of your Aiper Seagull Pro. Keeping your device up to date ensures it runs smoothly and efficiently. Regular updates can fix bugs, add new features, and improve overall functionality. Below, we will guide you through the steps for checking and installing software updates for your Aiper Seagull Pro. Checking for updates. To ensure your Aiper Seagull Pro is running the latest software, you need to check for updates regularly. Follow these simple steps. 1. Turn on your Aiper Seagull Pro. 2. Connect it to a stable Wi-Fi network. 3. Open the Aiper mobile app on your smartphone. 4. Navigate to the settings menu. 5. Select software update. 6. The app will check for the latest updates. If an update is available, you will be notified. Keeping your software updated helps maintain device performance. Installing updates. Once you have checked for updates and found one, it is time to install it. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth installation. Ensure your Aiper Seagull Pro is fully charged. Keep your device connected to Wi-Fi. In the app, click Download and Install. Wait for the download to complete. The device will restart automatically after installation. Installation may take a few minutes. Do not interrupt the process to avoid issues. Step description. 1. Charge your device. Connect to Wi-Fi. 3. Download and install. 4. Wait for restart. Regular updates keep your Aiper Seagull Pro running at its best. Follow these steps to ensure you never miss an update.